Well, good morning, guys. We just got here to the river again. Going to try for carp, of course. I had too much fun with these carp last time we were on the river. We'll get set up and see what happens, guys. Get our whoa. Cut knife out. Oh my gosh. Well, I guess we're not short on line today. Yeah, I'm gonna cast these carp ones kind of along pretty close to the bank. Up, a couple up there, a couple right in front of us. All right, we'll get these carp rods out. Ooh, what? Ooh. Oh no, did you get off or what's happening? What is the issue? I'm gonna get down this, but I don't know if I can get back up. Oh, well, we're worth it. All right. Wow, that is a lot of stuff that guy's in. Wow, you're under a lot of stuff. Oh. Wow. I don't know about this one, guys. Aww. Nuts, man. And broke the hook off. And we didn't get you. The hell? Freaking kidding me right now? Oh, man. Alright. Find our way out. Oh, gosh. We have like nothing. We need to go get some rope. Oh, my gosh. Find some rope. See, it's not the getting down. The getting down. Oh boy. Yes. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. Oh boy. What a fun day already. Okay. All right, 419 rod holders. I'm putting my faith that you can pull my butt back up that if I need it. Hopefully I need it because hopefully one of these rods goes down. Let's do this. You are crazy, beautiful rainbow fish on Grimace. Hey, shoo. That is a tree. Whew. Oh, I don't even have my other camera set up either, so. Oh, these freaking rainbow fish are awesome. Oh, I know, you're mad. I don't blame you. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. Oh, he is awesome. Oh my God. Okay, let's go. Release the beast. Alrighty. Wall them up here. Oh boy. Oh, these things are cool. Rainbow fish. He's got like some really cool yellow. Whoa. Really cool yellow. Bright tail. Alrighty. Be free, you little rainbow fish. Strong, crazy fighter. Alrighty. Very sweet. All my weight. That's pretty sweet. Alrighty. Well, I know you can hold up to 140 pounds. That's wicked. I'm out of breath. Alright, what's crazy is that the rod holder is holding me better than the rope. I'm like nervous more about the rope breaking than the rod holder giving out. Alright, let's try with our hook 'em. Let's see if I can use it as my freaking hill climbing tool as well. Gotta rebait a corn. And still tie that hook back on. I've been lazy. Well, not even lazy, like stuff keeps happening. Like there's keeps getting nibbles and it's exciting. Hope something bites. That's not a gar. Get that hook back on. I only brought 2 cans today, so I can't eat it. If I get hungry, I just gotta start a little fire. And I have jalapeno cheddar brats. Now, we wait again. Get a freaking GoPro tan line, but I really like using that chest cam. This is the first time I really liking it because I think that you guys can check out the fish more, so that's freaking sweet because that's what I would want to see. Give it a bit more and then we'll cook up our brats for lunch. Cheddar jalapeno. Cheers, my dears. Boy, now peanut butter. I was just getting bored too. Oh yeah. All right, let's get down there. Now peanut butter wants it. All right. Same issue we had this morning in the crab. And I can't tell if we're like over it, next to it. Oh, in it. Oh man, he looks kind of like a goodie too. So, all right, let's chase him down. Whoo! Let's chase him down. Oh boy. Whoa, 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 I'd have been in big trouble for that one. Oh, oh yeah, I would have been in a big trouble for that one. Oh, are you kidding me? Now we're like, it looks like a good one. That's why I want to try and actually, put in the effort. Because fishing is freaking sweet. Alrighty. Wow, you like sink. Sink, sink, sink. Oh, he's not like huge, but I'm like, are we just on this one? Like, whose bright idea was this? Man, it's like right, just like right on the... So what are we wrapped around? And are we wrapped? Ugh. That did nothing. What? I was literally just contemplating my life and that thing just flung off. Did you see that? Hey, you're pretty good. Can we get you? I don't know. Kind of figured that was gonna happen, but it's all right. Shoo. Man. I was just getting bored of this spot too. We can get you up there, we'll weigh you, but I don't even know if I can get me up there. Oh, holy, all right. Well, the hookums held up to my weight too. And peanut butter got a good one. Oh, holy moly. Okay, give me one more minute. Alrighty. Here's my Aldi bag. Fishing bag. Oh gosh, that's my trashy. Okay. Fish in a bag. Whoa. Okay. £10 carp. I'll take it. Oh, the fight. That's great. Holy smokes. Alrighty. And we got to use the carp bag. I haven't taken the food out yet. Alright. We're gonna go put him back. He's tipped off. Alrighty. Oh, that's freaking awesome. Whew, I'm slowing down, big boy. About time for lunch. Alrighty. Man, that's a good. He is a fun fight. Let him regain his strength. Let me regain my strength. Shoot. That was not me farting in the water. I don't know where those bubbles came. Whoa. Shoot, we both got scared, man. Woo. Alrighty. Here we go. Alright, getting that screen clean. And that's pretty awesome that the hook'em rod holders held my weight. Pretty stoked about that because they're one of my favorites too, obviously. And already forgot that I ditched the rod down there, so I'm gonna go get that and then I'm gonna switch out, put our Smackdown in and see if that one can hold me. While we wait, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and clean myself up and see if I can start a tiny little fire. I don't want a big one because I want to make sure we put it out before we head out. But I just want to cook my wiener, so okay. At least we're smoking enough to heat up a wiener. Easy peasy lunch today. Let's cook wieners. Well, it smells good. I'm gonna tap some of the sand off of it and get our ketchup and mustard on it. We're just cooking a little lunch, so I toasted my bun too. Man, you can't go wrong with Johnsonville jalapeno sauce. That's good. Maybe give it a few more minutes, Bowie, and then might have to pack it up and seek shade. We're getting peanut butter. We're getting back up here on the Smackdown. I have some freaking awesome bank rod holders. Like, that is no joke. Every single one of these held my weight of 140 coming up that incline, which is like a drop there, so it's really freaking hard to get up. So that's impressive. I'm pretty stoked about it. Smackdown. $4.19 powder coating. All good rod holders. All hauled my 140 pounds up that mini cliff back there with those carp. But what an awesome time, you guys. A quick lunch, a fun bite, and just a good time on the river. If you guys like these corny carp videos, make sure you like, subscribe, hit that little jingly alert thing, whatever it is. Thank you guys for joining this Outdoor Wicked Adventures. Stay wicked, y'all.